When the hills disappear into the mist, the drive becomes the destination. Here is a drive from Lovedale to Ooty Botanical Garden on a cold, misty morning. This is the state of visibility, 15 degrees Celsius now. Getting onto NH 181, going towards.
Continue on Nagapattinam, Coimbatore, Gunlupet Highway for 3 kilometers.
That is Botanical Garden in Ooty. The road to the left goes to a place called Lovedale railway station.
Turn left at Charing Cross onto Commercial Road, then turn right to stay on Commercial Road. Turn right to stay on Commercial Road, then turn right. Take the next right. In 300 meters, continue straight past Exodus Cabs Tours and Travels.
So here's the entry. There is a 100 rupee ticket fee, and the road to enter is like this. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and get notified of my new videos.